right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers.
Hello, everyone.
Today we're going to be making a beet salad. We went ahead earlier and we went and got these prepared for Chef Dom. This is his recipe, and
Fresh beets.
yeah, we just oil those and they're ready to go. Well, let's get cooking.
All right, that's good. All right, we're gonna slice up our beets now, and today we're gonna do them with the olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, and oregano. Really good.
Nice.
Yeah, these are good beets. That one.
Yeah, Charlie helped me with these earlier. She's a pro when it comes to this stuff. Oh, those do look good.
Okay, we're gonna put them on the platters now. And then we'll put the little oil, olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt and pepper, and oregano. And they're ready to, they're pretty cold because they were in an ice bath, but you can make them and put them in the refrigerator for whatever, 20, 30 minutes. All right. All right, we're gonna put our onions on here. And we'll cut those up later for we're gonna do another bolognese sauce, but with spinach.
Sounds good.
It's gonna be good with ziti.
All right.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna add a little salt. Some pepper. Some oregano. A little red wine vinegar.
Looking good.
And some olive oil. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
And that's it. And we can throw them in the refrigerator until we're ready to eat.
Nice.
Very good. Very good.
All right. The beet salad is ready. I'm just going to go ahead and garnish it up a little bit with a little fresh parsley. Just to add a little bit more color. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna go ahead and test them out. If you're not a beet fan, I still encourage you to try it. You absolutely love this.
Very good.
Excellent. I tell
Very
you,
good.
if you're not a beet fan, you should try this recipe. It's not only delicious, it's also healthy. Very, very good. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you on the next video.
See you next week.
Later.